Hi, my name is Brian and I'm the 3D print creator, and in this video you will see me convert my longer Ray5 laser into a longer Ray, I think 10 laser. Well, I converted from a 5-watt laser machine to a 10-watt laser machine, and this means optical power. Now, I do this with the new laser module that I received from Longer, and to place that new module we first have to get away the old module and then swap it out for the new one, which is a lot bigger. As you can see here, this new laser module actually is a lot bigger, and this is because there are two 5-watt laser diodes inside this module, and as you will see on the outside it says that it's 10 to 11 watt optical output power. Now, of course, we have to put the mounting bracket on the back of the laser so we can hold it against the machine, and this didn't go as well as planned, because the screws that you have for your old laser module are a bit longer than they need to be for the new laser module. So I had to disassemble it again and find myself some spacers, and I used some rings for that because, well, those are actually great razors, and with that done, I can mount the back plate on the back of the laser and make it very tight. And without these rings, well, everything was wobbly. So this is not coming when you get the new laser. You won't receive it when you get the new laser, but if you mount those rings in between the laser module and the back plate, well, it will be perfect. Now, I have to say that I could only get in 2 screws instead of 4 screws with these rings in the middle, because, well, I couldn't find a way to get the other 2 screws in with the rings in the middle. Now, after the machine is assembled, the laser head is assembled to the back plate, it's time to assemble the whole laser module to the machine. And of course, you're going to use the same screws that you used for assembling the 5-watt laser module against the machine. So yeah, you can use all the same things. Now, also the cable that goes in the top of the laser is the same type of cable, or it's the same cable. So well, everything fits together as if you were mounting the 5-watt laser on top. And you don't have to be afraid that your power supply won't be strong enough, because the power supply that came with the 5-watt machine is also capable of running the 10-watt laser. Now, here you see me do an engraving. It's a photo engraving of a dog, and you can see that the laser is quite capable of doing this in high speed. This engraving is an engraving at 2000 millimeters per minute at 60 watt, and well, it's a great engraving. And now I'm doing the cut so that everything is cut out and it will be a hanger. Now, besides of that, I'm also doing the cutting out of a Christmas tree, and here you can see the laser working at real time, how I use it. So this is 5 millimeters of plywood, and well, this is real time. It's at 600 millimeters per minute at 100 watt. And the reason I do this is because I'm going to repeat this 4 times. Because this laser doesn't have an air assist as a standard, you have to go faster and then create multiple repetitions before it cuts out. And then you won't have that burn marks on the top, but especially not on the bottom side of your cut. Now, there is a special trick to clean those burn marks, and at the end of this video I will show you how I do this. So now the video is sped up a little, and you see that that it cuts out every layer for this tree, and then you can connect it with a screw in the middle, and it will be a nice Christmas ornament. But as you will see, it's very easy to clean those parts, but I will show you when this is done. So let's take a look at how this goes. and here it's doing the last part in 4 passes. Now, I promised you guys a trick to clean your parts, and well, it's a very easy trick. You just need some tape. I use gaffer's tape, but you can use duct tape as well, or painter's tape. It really doesn't matter, as long as your parts won't fall off the cut when you turn the wood around. So in this case I'm using gaffer's tape, and then when I turn around my wood, the parts won't fall out, and then if everything is turned around, it's easy for me to clean it with some rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. I use 96% of this, so it's 96% alcohol, and it really works very well for cleaning this debris of your wood. And well, of course, there will be a lot of debris which goes into your paper. I use paper for it, paper towel. So I'll use 2 parts of paper towel to clean this. And then when everything is done, I can take the tape off, and well, sometimes some parts will stick to the tape. It really doesn't matter. It helps you getting them off the wood. So I have to see which parts I'm going to use, and those rings will be used, of course. And then I can peel off the other pieces of tape off the print or the cut. And well, as you can see, it's a very nice cut. This 10-watt laser is really a very good upgrade for your laser machine, because, well, it does wonders. It works very, very nice. So yeah, I'm taking away the last piece of tape here, and then I put away the wood, and as you can see, just light tapping on the wood will make all the parts fall out. And if there are some small parts stuck inside the wood, well, just lightly tap on them and you will see that they come off very, very nice. And well, these are very, very nice cuts. I first told you that this was 5mm plywood. It's not true. It's 4.2mm thick. I've measured it. I was thinking it was 5, but it isn't. And then here you see the finished parts, and well, they look very nice, I might say. And well, here they are completed, and this is how they look when they are completed totally with the screw in the middle. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in a next video. Thanks for watching.